Good morning, guys. It is Friday, April 24th, and you are looking in the home room section of your eClass page. So today's Flex Friday. You're going to see this slide on every single one of your eClass pages in Miss Rodriguez's classroom. And all you need to do today is review all of your slides this week. Every slide that I put up, look it over. Retake quizzes that you didn't do well on. If you got below a 70, I want you to redo them. A lot of you guys are still missing the summative test. I want you guys to go to science and take that, go to quizzes and do the summative quiz. Make sure you guys have done your ReadWorks. We're still missing a couple people in ReadWorks. I think about 4 people. So make sure you're finishing your quizzes. Make sure you're redoing things that you didn't do too well on. And then I want you guys to make sure that you guys are coming to the Meet Miss Rodriguez in Zoom from 11:30 to 12:30. I have sent all of your parents an email with the code and the link to get in. So let's all meet up at 11:30. I am looking forward to seeing y'all's pretty faces there.